There are two domains, material and spiritual. The difference between these two is when we put ourselves in the center, when we are always self-conscious, due to our false ego, that is material. When I am the center, that is material. Whereas when Krishna is the center, that is spiritual. Seeing everything in the light of Krishna consciousness, being tuned into Krishna's consciousness. So that is the position of a pure devotee. He is Krishna conscious. His consciousness is not flowing in this direction. This direction means, as Krishna is pointing out in Bhagavad-Gita, dhyato vishayan pumsah sangas teshu upajayate. And the consciousness through the senses run towards the objects of the senses. And the result is sangas teshu upajayate, association with the objects of the senses. And that leads to kama, lust, desire to enjoy those objects of our senses. The favourable one or pleasing, the things that are meant or are conducive to our sense gratification, we become attached to that and we want to exploit that, we want to enjoy that. Calm. That leads to krodha, anger, because the calm is frustrated and automatically anger develops. And krodhat bhavati sammoha. Due to anger one becomes bewildered. Sammohat smriti-vibhramah. Due to bewilderment, he loses his memory. And smriti-bhranshad, buddhi-nasho. As a result of losing his memory, he loses his intelligence, and buddhi-nashat, Pranashyati. Due to the loss of intelligence, he is doomed. So that is the result of allowing our consciousness to run towards this material nature through the mind. Mind to the senses, objects of the senses, and entanglement in the material nature for sense gratification. On the other hand, there is Krishna consciousness. The consciousness is withdrawn from this and projected onto Krishna. And that leads automatically to recognize Krishna's position as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And in relation to that, we see our position as His eternal servants. And the natural tendency is to serve. Loving, devotional service. It's love that unites us with Krishna and naturally leads to the point of rendering service unto Him as an expression of our